Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a high-performance air purifier designed to clean the air in large rooms. This is the PurOxygen P500 HEPA air purifier. The link to this product is in the description section below this video. It means a lot to us to see your likes and comments on our videos, and if you're not already a subscriber, please take a second and subscribe. We really appreciate it. It has a fine mesh pre-filter, True HEPA filter, activated carbon filter, cold catalyst filter, UV light sanitizer, and negative ion generator. Oh, okay, so the box comes with the user guide. I can go into that in a few moments, and a controller, which on the controller you have your on-off button, speed, auto, timer, function, sleep, and UV. One of the good things about this is how easy it is to change the air filter. The back, there are no buttons to push. All you have to do is take the back off. And right here is the air filter, obviously the nice panels, so you can easily take it out, and it's easily changeable. When you first get the air cleaner, the filter is wrapped in plastic, so I do recommend taking a look at that and removing the plastic before you do use it. The air filter also does have handles. I noticed some do not have handles to easily carry it around. So this makes it a lot easier to maneuver and put in places that need to filter and clean air. There will be a light indicator for the filter to be changed. It will turn red. And they say about every 6 to 8 months, depending on the usage. Obviously, probably you're going to have to change it more or often if you have animals. And the filters are available on Amazon as well. So taking a look at the user manual, there are there's a lot of instructions on how to use the remote in here, how to go through the display and control panel, all about the PM 2.5 digital display. Alright, so here's a look at the top. There are 4 buttons on the top. Obviously, this one right here is the fan button. This is on the medium setting right now. That's 2. There are 3 settings. That is 3, the third highest setting. That is obviously a lot louder, but not nearly as loud as you would think it would be. And that is the lowest sound. That would be obviously ideal for a child's room or near a child's room. Now, there is a child lock for this, especially if you do have children. It's in the user manual, and all you have to do is press the sleep and the timer button together, and it locked. And it cannot be enabled by using the remote. So the remote right here, you do have to touch the top to get the lock. So the unit here measures 20.6 by 13.07 by 6.65 inches. It's not too big, it's also not too small. It does cover a lot of area, up to 550 square feet. It's a clean, sleek design, so you don't have to worry about it being an ugly, sore object in your room. There's a timer. The timer is right here, where you can set it to turn off automatically in a particular time period, up to 1 to 12 hours. Depends on what you want. The timer function can also be done on the remote control as well. And just to go over the air quality again, the good air quality is indicated by a blue, green light, then yellow, which we don't see here, but that means medium air quality, and red is poor air quality. Now there is a UV function on the controller. Turned that on. Good for cleaning up extra particles. Maybe in a time of COVID season that would be good as well. Or flu season. So if you notice the numbers on the display, this is a PM2.5 digital display. It has a PM2.5 sensor to inform the user about the concentration of microns in the air. This is a great device for if you have a lot of pets or if you smoke in the home. Definitely a good way to clear up the air quality. Also, it's not too big and bulky. You can easily carry it around up and down the stairs and put it in a place and make sure that you are comfortable in your home. And due to how low the sound is, especially if you have a newborn child, this would be good as well. Or maybe even in your office. Alright, so that's a look at the PurOxygen Air Purifier P500. Make sure you check the description section below for more information. Thanks for watching.